Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with thetradersperspective.com doing my weekend edition of the US dollar analysis. This is the monthly time frame. I kind of wanted to start out with the broader range to kind of just show you where we've been and where we're kind of heading. So, back here, you can see that around 2008 and also around 2011, the US dollar was approximately between $70 and $73 on the US dollar index. And then we kind of developed the bottom and then broke out and then tested this major downtrend line here. If I was to zoom out further, you'd be able to see what I was talking about. But for the conservation of time, just remember that this is going to be the major downtrend line here, which we did respect. And as I zoom in closer, you can see that I went ahead and I added a Fibonacci retracement level to help identify an area where the US dollar may potentially bounce. And it looks like, from what I'm seeing, dropping down to the weekly time frame, you can see that we've basically broken below the 96 level I referenced for the past few videos for the US dollar, and now we're kind of having a support or interest support before kind of making our final resting place, at least in the near term, around 94.45, 94.40. As you can see here, I've already went ahead and added this as my load zone. So I believe that we're going to definitely see some short covering here with a possible bounce up to maybe that 96 level again to kind of see if we can get back above. And then we have more resistance on the upside again. So we are between two Fibonacci retracement levels here. We have failed to get above it back here. And then as the weeks have progressed, we've been seeing just this downward pressure, and we're going to eventually get to this 94.30, 94.40 level here. As you can see, this area has been acting as support and or resistance number of times in the past, and just given, again, like looking at this monthly time frame, you can really get an idea of where we're going. I mean, we did break this weekly uptrend line here. So we have reversed, and now we're going to look for this area right here at around 94.40 to hold as the support level. If that fails, then we'll be looking at a number of other locations down here, probably around 93 and then also around 92.40 before resting at this 50% retracement level at around 90. 91.30 or 91.40 roughly. So if things do continue to head lower as the trend does show, then those are the levels we'll be looking at. But again, that's pretty far out in the future at this point. So um, in the meantime, at least this upcoming week or so, and then this week is a holiday week, so personally I will not be taking any new positions on. I will just be sitting back and watching. But it does look like the U.S. dollar might be able to put together a little bit of a floor here, maybe bounce to around this 95 level, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame so you can get a better idea. So if we can hold this level here on 95.20 and maybe bounce around a little bit, that's definitely possible. But again, I'm still waiting for the U.S. dollar to get some kind of solid ground. And again, that's going to be that level at around 94.40. So dropping back out on a little bit on the time frame here, you can see that this area is going to be the area to watch for some kind of a true support and short covering reversal. So that's what I'll be looking for and waiting for. But in the meantime, it's going to be a game of just wait and see. Plus, we have a holiday week here in the States, 4th of July weekend. So it's going to be a light volume week as well in the overall market. So personally, I choose to stay away. But if you're choosing to play, have your stop losses in place. Definitely make sure that you're in a good trade setup where your risk reward makes sense. And again, always make sure that you're protecting your position and your principal. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation of thetradersperspective.com US dollar analysis on multiple time frames. Subscribe to the channel for my bi-weekly video updates, and feel free to stop by the website, shoot me some comments below the videos. I'll be more than happy to respond to you and then give you any insight that I can. Thank you again. Have a wonderful rest of your day.